Ready? Hello everybody, my name is Michael.
And I'm Dione.
And welcome to Miss FITZ'S Adventures. Today, it stopped raining last night about 5:30 in the morning, actually this morning. Today is Wednesday. The date is, I think, the 13th, I'm not sure. But anyways, yeah, it's the 13th. And it's on a Wednesday, and we are off today. So we decided to come down here and see all the devastation from the storm. We had about 3 or 4 storms come through here, all within the last couple weeks. And we haven't gotten down here because it's been raining every day. And I don't want to be at the beach when it rains. So yeah, this is Shipwreck Beach, like we showed you before. You can see all the debris on the ground. Max is so happy to be here right now. Look at all the logs coming up. So we're gonna walk on the beach, huh, Max? You ready to walk on the beach?
Yes.
He says, I've been cooped up in the house and I want to walk on the beach. Yeah, so it's been rainy and I've been inside and she's been kind of working the last few days. I worked on Monday and that was it. Right now the tide is going out. You can see the shipwreck a little better. Everybody's been cooped up in their houses, so everybody's kind of coming out. I think we're in 1 now, so that means you can't dine in restaurants and stuff. So the COVID virus still is bad up here as it is everywhere else. Hi guys, so we just wanted to come down here to, we call it Shipwreck Beach. It's Eardale Shipwreck, which is right over there. Yeah. So we just wanted to come down here, see if there was any damage, fly the drone around a little bit. I haven't flown it for over a month and a half, about a month. And yeah, so we wanted to come down here and just check it out. We're gonna go home and eat and watch TV.
Yes.
Have a glass of wine.
Or two.
All right, guys.